Problem set for you. Question number 1. Choose the correct alternative answers for the following questions. Okay. Question number 1. Series or example number 1. If 3x plus 5y is equal to 9. Series 3x plus 5y is equal to 9. This is our equation number 1. Okay. And second, 5x plus 3y is equal to 7. This is our equation number 2. Then what is the value of x plus y? What is the value of x plus y? Okay. Now, by addition, we add these two equation or both the equations series addition 3x plus 5x 8x plus 8y is equal to 16. All three terms are divisible by 8. 8 divisible by 8, 16 divisible by 8. Therefore, dividing both sides by 8. We want x plus y, no? We want value of x plus y. Therefore, 8x upon 8 plus 8y upon 8 is equal to 16 upon 8. 8 to the. Therefore, x plus y is equal to 2. What is the question? Find the value of x plus y. Therefore, value of x plus y is 2. Therefore, alternative A, value 2 is our answer. Did you get it? Then second, when 5 is subtracted from length and breadth of the rectangle, the perimeter becomes 26. What is the mathematical form of the statement? Okay, see this. This is our question. Then we will find answer. When 5 is subtracted from length, therefore we write here our answer. Let length of the rectangle is equal to x units. Okay, unit is not given, so we write units, and the breadth of the rectangle is equal to y units. Did you get it? Therefore, from given condition, what is condition? Listen and see carefully. 5 is subtracted from length. Now, area of, not area, what is here? Perimeter, sorry. Perimeter of rectangle, say this. Perimeter perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 in bracket length length plus breadth. Length I will write L for length. Okay, we write here L, and breadth we write here B. L plus B. 2 in bracket L plus B. What is the perimeter? Perimeter is given 26 is equal to 2 in bracket. Now 5 is subtracted from length and breadth. 5 is subtracted. What is length? X. 5 subtracted means x minus 5 plus 5 subtracted from breadth also. What is breadth? Y. Y minus 5. Did you get it? Therefore, 26 upon 2. 2 is multiplied here. So we take to the left side. X plus y minus 5 minus 10. Therefore, 13, and we take this minus 10 to the left side because like terms, no, is equal to x plus y. Therefore, x plus y is equal to 23. X plus y is equal to 23. Therefore, alternative C, x plus y is equal to 23 is our answer. Is our answer. Example number 3. Ajay is younger than Vijay by 5 years. Sum of their ages is 25 years. What is Ajay's age? Now we write here series. Let the present age of Vijay is equal to x years and the present age of Ajay is equal to y years. Did you get it? Therefore, from first condition, what is first condition? Ajay is younger. Younger means smaller. Younger than Vijay by 5 years. Series. Therefore, present age of Vijay is equal to present age of Ajay plus younger, no, and Vijay is elder. And Ajay is younger. So plus 5. Did you get it? Therefore, present age of Vijay, what is? X is equal to present age of Ajay, y plus 5. Did you get it? We use substitution method. We will use substitution method, or you can use elimination method. Substitution method is very simple. So we give here number 1. Okay. Therefore, from second condition. What is second condition? See this. Sum of their ages is 25 years. Sum of their ages means present age of Vijay plus present age of Ajay is equal to 25 years. Did you get it? Present age of Vijay plus, instead of this we write here plus, present age of Ajay is equal to 25 years. Sum of their ages. Did you get it? I am not writing that formula here again. I am telling you. Write this way. Present age of Vijay plus present age of Ajay is equal to 25 years. Okay. Therefore, what is present age? X. Vijay plus present age of Ajay is equal to 25. Did you get it? Now we substitute value of X. Value of X, what is? Y plus 5 here. Did you get it? Now we write substituting X is equal to Y plus 5 in equation 2. Did you get it? We substitute this, then we get directly value of Y, and that is the age of Ajay. What is Ajay's age? We want direct Ajay's age. So see this, we put value Y plus 5 instead of X. Therefore, Y plus 5 plus original Y is equal to 25. Means we convert simultaneous or linear equations in two variables into single variable, Y plus Y. What is Y plus Y? 2Y plus 5 is equal to 25. Y plus Y, like terms, plus 5 is equal to 25. Therefore, 2Y is equal to 25 minus 5. Like terms together. When this plus 5 goes to right side, becomes minus. Therefore, 2Y is equal to 20. Therefore, Y is equal to 20 upon 2. Therefore, Y is equal to 10. Therefore, Y is equal to 10. And this is the present age of Ajay. Did you get it? Therefore, alternative C 10 is our answer. Question number 2. Solve the following simultaneous equations. First example, 2x plus y is equal to 5, equation number 1, and 3x minus y is equal to 5, equation number 2. Now here, first observe the coefficients of variables. Coefficients of variables. See this, these are coefficients of x. Those are not same or equal. Then observe coefficients of variable y. Here coefficients of variable y are same 1 1, no, so there is no need to equate them again. Then observe their signs. Signs are opposite. When signs are opposite, then by addition. I have told you many times while solving these examples. By addition, plus y minus y automatic cancel because their coefficients are equal. Therefore 5x is equal to 10. 2x plus 3x, 5x is equal to 5 plus 5, 10. Therefore x is equal to multiplication here. So when we take this 5 to the right side, becomes division, means that it becomes divisor. Therefore x is equal to 5 to the, what is 5 to the 10. Did you get it? Now substituting in equation 1 or 2, any one equation. Now we substitute value of x in equation number 1. 2x plus y is equal to 5. This is our equation number 1. We put value of x here, 2 into 2 plus y is equal to 5. Therefore 4 plus y is equal to 5. Therefore y is equal to 5 minus 4. Like terms. When we take this plus 4 to the right, becomes plus, becomes minus, minus becomes plus. Did you get it? Therefore y is equal to 5 minus 4, 1. Did you get it? Therefore solution, always write this, solution x, value of x first, letter value of y, because alphabetically x is first, letter y. Then tell me second example. X minus 2y is equal to minus 1. Equation number 1. 2x minus y is equal to 7. See this. This is our equation number 2. Did you get it? Now I will show you how to solve this example by using substitution method. Substitution method. Now see this. We take this. We want this positive. Okay. So we take this minus y to the right side. Because here coefficient 1. Coefficient 1, then that becomes very easy for substitution method. So we take this minus y to the right side. Therefore becomes, minus becomes, minus becomes plus, and we take this 7 to the left. Plus 7 becomes minus, means 2x minus 7. This 7 right side comes to left, becomes minus, and this minus y left side goes to right side, becomes plus. Now value of y we substitute in equation 1 at y. Did you get it? Did you get it? We put value of y. What is value of y? 2x minus 7 in equation 1 at y. Therefore, substituting in equation 1 at y. Did you get it? Now we put here value of y. See this. Therefore, x minus 2, value of y we put there. What is 2x minus 7 is equal to minus 1, because we are putting here in equation 1. So write equation 1, all terms. Now see this. This equation 1 into variables we have converted into single variable x minus 4x minus into minus plus 2 into 7 14 minus 1. Did you get it? Now here 1x minus 4x bigger na, and sign minus, so we give that sign, and minus 3x. We take this, these are like terms, so we add or subtract. Now these are like terms, so we take 14 to the right side, becomes minus, plus becomes minus. Therefore, minus 3x is equal to minus 15. Signs are same, so give that sign and add them. Therefore, x is equal to minus 15 upon minus 3. 3 5. Therefore, x is equal to division and multiplication of same signs. Division and multiplication of same signs is always positive. Therefore, x is equal to 5. Substituting in equation 1 or 2, we put here into in equation, substituting in equation 2. So see here, 2 into 5, we put value of x. Did you get it? Or you can put directly here also, no problem. We can put here directly, then we get value of y. Did you get it? When we write here equation number 3, then we write here substituting in equation number 3 also. Very simple. See here, 2 into 5 minus 7 is equal to y. 2 into 5 minus is equal to y. Therefore, y is equal to 10 minus 7. 10 minus 7, what is? 3. Therefore, solution is 5, 3. Did you get it? Third example, x plus y is equal to 11. Equation number 1, 2x minus 3y is equal to 7. Equation number 2. Here also we use substitution method, because this method is very simple. For that, we take equation number 1, x plus y is equal to 11. Now take x to the right side or y to the right side. Any one variable to the right side. Take any one of the variables to the right side. See this. Therefore, y is equal to, we take x to the right side, plus becomes minus. Did you get it? This is our new equation number 3. Did you get it? Now we put value of y in equation number 2 because we have taken first and obtained new. So we put value of this y in equation number 2. Did you get it? Therefore, substituting in equation 2 at y. Did you get it? We put value of y this here. See this here. Therefore, 2x minus 3 in bracket, instead of y we write there 11 minus x. Did you get it? Very simple. Is equal to 7. Now we multiply to bracket by minus 3. Therefore 2x minus into plus minus 3 into 11 33 minus into minus plus 3 into x 3x is equal to 7. Now 2x and 3x like terms, we add or subtract 2x plus 3x, addition here 5x, and this minus 33 and 7 are like terms. No, we take together 7 plus 33 minus becomes plus. Therefore 5x is equal to 40. Therefore x is equal to 40 upon 5. Therefore x is equal to 8. Did you get it? 5 8s. Now substituting in equation 3, very simple. See here, only put here value, then directly you will get y. Therefore y is equal to 11 minus x, equation number 3. Therefore y is equal to 11 minus, we put value of x. Therefore y is equal to 11 minus 8 3. Did you get it? This is value of y. Therefore solution alphabetically x first, letter y. Did you get it? Very simple method, that is we say substitution method. Example number 4. 2x plus y is equal to minus 2. Equation number 1. 3x minus y 7 is equal to 7. See here. Now observe these two linear equations or simultaneous equations in two variables. Here coefficients of x are not same, but coefficients of variable y are same. Then observe their signs. Signs are opposite. Then we write by addition. Did you get it? Signs are opposite, then addition, same, then subtraction. Then 5x is equal to 7 minus 2. 7 minus 2, 5. Therefore, x is equal to 5 upon 5. Therefore, x is equal to 1. 5 ones are 5. Did you get it? Substituting in equation 1. In equation 1. Therefore, what is our equation number 1? 2x plus y is equal to minus 2. Equation number 1. Now we put value of x. This value of x, 2 into 1 plus y is equal to minus 2. Therefore, 2 plus y is equal to minus 2. When we find values of variables, then those variables must be positive. See here, positive, positive. In earlier examples, also variables positive. So we write y is equal to minus 2, minus 2. Y is equal to minus 4. These are the values of variables x and y. Therefore, solution alphabetically x first and letter y. Example number 5. 2x minus y is equal to 5, equation number 1. And 3x plus 2y is equal to 11, equation number 2. When we solve this example by equating the coefficients, then we equate the coefficients of variable y. Then we multiply. Equation 1 by 2. Equation 1 by 2. Okay, then we get coefficients of y equal. Did you get it? Now I will show you how to solve this example by substitution method. For that, we take this equation number 1. In this equation number 1, we take this y. I have told you we want variable positive. So we take this y to the right side. Then minus becomes plus. And this 5 to the left side. Plus becomes minus. Did you get it? This is our new equation number 3. Now we substitute this value of y, 2x minus 5, in equation 2 at y. Therefore, substituting in equation 2 at y. We put here series. Therefore, 3x plus 2 into value of y, 2x minus 5 is equal to 11. Did you get it? Very simple method. And we convert, see, in single variable, two variables into single variable. Therefore 3x plus 2 into 2, 4x, 4 and this x, plus into minus, minus 2 into 5, 10 is equal to 11. Now these are like terms. We add 7x is equal to, these are like terms, we take together 11 plus 10. Did you get it? Very simple method. Therefore 7x is equal to 21. Therefore x is equal to 21 upon 7. Therefore x is equal to 3. Now we substitute this value, substituting in equation 3, then we get value easily. Therefore y is equal to 2x minus, y I have written first, 2x minus 5, equation number 3. Therefore y is equal to, we put value of x, see this value of x, 3, 2 into 3 minus 5 is equal to 2 into 3, 6 minus 5. Therefore y is equal to 1. Therefore solution, what is x, 3 and y. Did you get it? Very simple method. Next, last example from this question.
X minus 2y.
X minus 2y is equal to minus 2, equation number 1.
X plus 2y.
X plus
2y
2y
is equal to 10.
is equal to 10. Now see this. Here coefficients are equal, here also equal. When coefficients of x as well as coefficients of y are equal, then observe their signs. What are the signs of x? Positive, plus, and here opposite, minus and plus. Then by addition, because opposite signs, coefficients are already equal, cancelled. Therefore x plus x, 2x, 10 minus 2. Therefore x is equal to 8 upon 2. Therefore x is equal to 4. Very simple and very important for 10th standard also. Substituting in equation which is simple, we take this 2. Don't take equation with minus sign. Don't take equation having minus sign. Always select equation having plus signs. Always. Otherwise, if there is no any alternative, then select. Otherwise, don't select. X plus 2y is equal to 10. This is our equation number 2. We put value of x, 4 plus 2y is equal to 10. Therefore 2y is equal to, like terms together, plus 4 becomes minus 4 to the right side. 10 minus 4. Therefore, y is equal to 6 upon 2. Therefore, y is equal to 3. Then finally we write here solution. What is x? 4 and y is our 3. Problem set 5. Question number 4. Solve the following simultaneous equations in two variables. Okay. Now see this. First, x upon 3 plus y upon 4 is equal to 4. Second, x upon 2 minus y upon 4 is equal to 1. We want linear equations or simultaneous equations without denominator. So we reduce these into, means these are linear equations, but we reduce them without denominator. So see this. X upon 3 plus y upon 4 is equal to 4. Now we eliminate denominators by cross multiplication as well as another method also, and every time use that another method. Okay. Now denominators 3 and 4. LCM of denominator 3 and 4. What is the LCM of denominator 3 and 4? What is the LCM of denominator 3 and 4? That number should be divisible by 3 and 4. That should be divisible by 3 and 4. Which is that? 12. 12 is divisible by 3 and 4. We want smallest number. But divisible by 3 and 4. Did you get it? Then 12. Therefore, multiplying both sides by 12. Multiplying both sides by 12. See here, we multiply. Therefore, 12 into x upon 3 plus 12y upon 4 is equal to 4 into 12. Means multiplying both sides by 12 means multiply to this, this and this. All terms. 3 4 the 4 3 the. Okay, therefore 4x plus 3y is equal to 48. This is our equation number 1. See here, denominator is not here. We have eliminated. Now we take another x upon 2 minus y upon 4 is equal to 1. Now what is the LCM of denominators 2 and 4? What is? That should be smallest number but divisible by 2 and 4. Multiplying. What is? Multiplying both sides. Kimia. What is both sides by what is 4. Therefore, 4x upon 2 minus 4y upon 4 is equal to 1 into 4. 2 to the 4 cancelled. Therefore, 2x minus 1y is equal to 4. This is equation number our 2. Now for elimination of y, elimination of y, multiplying equation 2 by 3. Did you get it? Therefore, we multiply to this equation number 2 by 3. Therefore, 3 to the 3 into 2, 6x minus 3y is equal to 3 into 4. Equation number 3, new number. Now our equation number 1 we write exactly below here. 4x plus 3y is equal to 48. This is our equation number 1 by addition, because here coefficients of y are same and signs are opposite. We want coefficients of any one of the variables equal. If those are not equal, then equate them. We have equated. Equate them first. Now, these are cancelled. Therefore, 10x is equal to 60. Therefore, x is equal to 60 upon 10. Therefore, x is equal to 6. Substituting in equation which is simple number 2, in equation 2. Therefore, 2x minus y is equal to 4. This is our equation number 2. Now we put value of x here. This value we put here. Therefore, 2 into 6 minus y is equal to 4. 2 into 6, 12 minus y is equal to 4. We want variable must be positive. So we take this to the right side, and this right side term we take to the left side. Did you get it? Minus becomes plus, and this plus becomes here minus, means like term. These are like terms. We take together. With y, there is no any like term. Therefore, y is equal to 8. Then we write solution. Alphabetically, x is first, letter y. Question number 4, example number 2. X upon 3 plus 5y is equal to 13. 2x plus y upon 2 is equal to 19. Now here denominator. So first we eliminate denominator. See this. Therefore, x upon 3 plus 5y is equal to 13. Now for elimination of this denominator, 3 multiplying both sides by 3. See here, we multiply here. 3 into x upon 3. Numerator denominator cancelled, plus 3 into 5y, 5y into 3 or 3 into 5y is equal to 13 into 3. Multiplying both sides by 3. Multiply to this. All terms by same number. Okay. Therefore, x plus 5 into 3, 15, and this y is equal to 39. This is our equation number 1. Did you get it? Now 2x plus y upon 2 is equal to 19. We want to eliminate denominator 2. So multiplying both sides by 2. See here. Therefore 2x into 2 plus 2y upon 2 is equal to 19 into 2. Therefore 4x plus y is equal to 38. 19 into 2, equation number 2. Now we want to eliminate any one of the variables. Did you get it? Now see this. Here 1x, here 4x. So see this. Equate the coefficients of x or equate the coefficients of y. Did you get it? Therefore, for elimination of x, multiplying equation 1 by 4. Okay. So we write here multiply. See this. Do this. 4x plus 15 into 4, 15 into 4, 60, and this y is equal to 39 into 4. Okay. 156. Here 4 into 9, 36, carry 3. Then 4 into 3, 12, 12 plus 3. Okay, this is equation number 3. Exactly below we write equation number 2. What is y? 1y is equal to 38. Now coefficients are equal as well as signs are also equal or same. So by subtraction. Okay. Now these are cancelled. Therefore 59y. 60 minus 1. Okay, 59 and this y. Then here subtraction series. 16 minus 8. 16 minus 8. What is 8? Carry 1. No? Here 5 minus 4. What is 1? And this one. Therefore, y is equal to 118 upon 59. 59 2s are. Therefore, y is equal to 2. Substituting in equation which is simple, this 2 in equation 2. Okay, take simple one. Therefore 4x plus y is equal to 38. This is our equation number 2. We put value of y. Okay, see this. Therefore 4x plus 2 is equal to 38. Now we take like terms together. Therefore 4x is equal to 38 minus this plus becomes minus 2. Therefore 4x is equal to 36. Therefore x is equal to 36 upon 4. Therefore x is equal to 9. Therefore solution 9, comma. Question number 4. Solve the following simultaneous equations. Example number 3. 2 upon x plus 3 upon y is equal to 13. And 5 upon x minus 4 upon y is equal to minus 2. Now we take this here. In these two linear equations in two variables, here denominator xy, xy. So we write here, let 1 upon x is equal to a. 1 upon x means 2 into 1 upon x. 3 into 1 upon y. Same way here also. 5 into 1 upon x minus 4 into 1 upon y. Did you get it? Therefore, see this. Therefore, instead of 1 upon x, instead of 1 upon x, what do we write? Plus. Instead of 1 upon y, we write b. Let 1 upon x is equal to a and 1 upon y is equal to b. Instead of this, we write b means 3b is equal to 13. This is our equation number 1. Did you get it? Same way for this. What is? 5b. What is sign? Minus b. 4b is equal to minus 2. Now observe these two linear equations in two variables. Coefficients of a 2 and 5. Coefficients of b plus 3 -4 means coefficients are not equal. So first criteria, observe that their coefficients, if they are means coefficients of any one of the variables are equal, then there is no need to equate them again. If coefficients are not equal, then equate the coefficients of any one of the variables. Now we equate the coefficients of variable b. Okay, therefore see here, multiplying equation 1 by 4, multiplying equation 1 by 4 and equation 2 by 3, these three. Okay, therefore our new equations, see here, we multiply to this by 4, therefore 4 into 2 plus 4 into 3, 12, and this b, and 13 into 4, 13 into 4, 52. Did you get it? Then we multiply to this by 3, 3 into 5, 15a. Okay, minus 4 into 3, 4b into 3 is equal to minus 2 into 3, minus 6 by addition. Did you get it? Addition, because signs are opposite. Here 23a is equal to 46. Did you get it? Therefore a is equal to 46 upon 23. Therefore a is equal to 2. Did you get it? 23 2s. Now substituting in equation which is simple, we take number 1 in equation 1. Therefore 2a plus 3b is equal to 13. This is our equation number 1. We substitute value of a, 2 into 2, value of a, plus 3b is equal to 13. Did you get it? Now 2 into 2, 4, plus 3b is equal to 13. We take like terms together. So plus goes to the right side, becomes minus 4. Plus 4 becomes minus 4. Therefore 3b is equal to 9. Therefore b is equal to 9 upon 3. Therefore b is equal to 3. Did you get it? These are the values of a and b, but we want values of x and y because these are the simultaneous or linear equations in two variables, and those variables are here x and y, not a and b. So we want values of x and y. Therefore, but 1 upon x is equal to a. So we put value of a here. Therefore, 1 upon x is equal to value of a. What is 2? We write this way, 2 upon 1. Therefore, series by inverting you studied that, na? By inverting you studied x by becomes numerator and numerator becomes denominator. Here also, therefore, x is equal to 1 upon 2 and 1 upon y. Series 1 upon y is equal to b. Therefore, 1 upon y is equal to value of b 3. But we write 3 upon 1 because this is fraction, so we write this also fraction. Therefore, y is equal to 1 upon 3. Y is equal to 1 upon 3. Did you get it? Therefore, solution x 1 upon 2 and y 1 upon 3.